If you're running a franchise and looking for a way to streamline marketing efforts, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to use Vendasta for franchise marketing, and trust me, you're going to want to stick around to the end for a special bonus offer that can save you time and money. Vendasta offers a suite of marketing tools designed to simplify processes and elevate your franchise's marketing efforts. Whether you're managing one location or hundreds, the platform can help you scale with ease. First, let's talk about how Vendasta's marketing automation works for franchises. The platform allows you to automate everything from email campaigns to social media posts. Imagine running consistent marketing campaigns for each location without the hassle of manually doing it yourself. Vendasta helps set up campaigns that target local audiences and then automatically distribute content across multiple platforms. Next, Vendasta has a reputation management system that is perfect for franchises. As a franchise owner, you're likely managing several reviews across different locations. Vendasta helps you monitor and respond to reviews from a centralized dashboard, so you never miss an important feedback opportunity. You can even generate reports to track how each location is doing in terms of customer satisfaction. This not only saves time, but ensures that you're building a strong online reputation for each franchise. The third thing to know is Vendasta's local SEO capabilities. Local SEO is crucial for franchises because each location needs to rank well in its specific area. Vendasta's platform helps you optimize your Google My Business listings, manage citations, and ensure that each franchise location is discoverable by customers in its region. This can drive more foot traffic and online sales, all while keeping things organized and efficient. Now, let's talk about customizable marketing solutions. As a franchise, you need tools that allow you to tailor campaigns to individual locations, but with a level of central control. Vendasta enables you to create templates for marketing campaigns that each location can customize to reflect their unique needs. This means you maintain brand consistency while allowing individual franchise owners to personalize their content. Next, there's reporting and analytics. With Vendasta, you can measure the success of your franchise marketing campaigns at a granular level. Whether you're tracking ad performance, customer engagement, or conversion rates, the platform generates detailed reports that help you make informed decisions. These insights are invaluable for optimizing strategies and improving ROI. To wrap things up, the most powerful aspect of Vendasta for franchise marketing is its all-in-one platform. It brings together marketing automation, reputation management, SEO, and analytics into a single solution, giving you everything you need in one place. You no longer have to juggle multiple tools to manage your franchise's marketing efforts. Remember, you can access Vendasta for completely free from the first link below, along with our exclusive bonuses that'll help you get the most out of the platform. So, there you have it, a quick guide to using Vendasta for franchise marketing. Take advantage of the tools Vendasta offers to streamline your marketing and help your franchise locations thrive. Don't forget to check out the link below to get started with an exclusive and extended free trial of Vendasta.